When are we going to realize that the planet is a living entity, and it gave birth to us biological beings? We weren't brought here by inert comets and falling moon rocks. We only see the planet as just a giant rock. But even so, we are all simply sentient sacs of mineral and water, taken from the planet's structure, built by energy taken from the planet's core, sustained by energy from the sun, breathing the air the planet breathes, and consuming and digesting the things the planet produces and recycles over its billion-year lifespan. When will we realize that our body is just magma, minerals, or transmuted clay, molded and forged by the earth within the earth? So exactly how did the earth do that? Here's how. Using mere inorganic compounds that happen to be energized and ionized by the heat coming from the planet's core, with the Earth being a living entity, the intricate dance of elemental synthesis within the planet's interior sparks the emergence of a wide gamut of compounds from 21 of the most essential elements crucial for life, which manifest in the form of the most basic types of organic compounds or polymers that are not mere hydrocarbons. Deep within Earth's crust, interconnected reaction chambers that are basically rock cavities become the cradle of the first self-contained chemical ecosystems, which are the remnants of what was found by Russian scientists and researchers before they closed down the Kola superdeep borehole, which went 7 miles into the Earth's crust and almost reached the mantle. Catalyzed by chemical ions and thermal energy, these chambers or deep cavities are the physical locations where the synthesis of organic compounds were orchestrated, marking the inception of full biological coherency deep within the planet's structure, even before any signs of carbon-based biology could be found on the planet's surface. As these chambers evolve, the birth of the first enzymes, to take the place of mineral catalyst, and proteins, which take the place of simple organic compounds, becomes a pivotal moment. Enzymes, acting as natural catalysts, strategically lower activation energy levels, facilitating complex reactions, and paving the way for autocatalytic chemical mixtures, which are basically self-contained mixtures that on autopilot create their own reactants, catalyst, and byproducts for all sequences of future reactions. These dynamic mixtures, fueled by reactants and catalysts synthesized within, lead to rapid organic chain reactions, storing vast quantities of chemical energy, ingredients, and information in increasingly complex compounds and structures. The emergence of lipids or chains of fatty acids creates basic membranes, allowing for the development of isolated pockets of chemical systems, each following its own set of rules or chemical reaction trajectory. So, from basic amino acids, minerals and clays, and basic fatty acids or oils, which can all form relatively easily in nature, comes the culmination of proteins, enzymes, and lipids, respectively, which represents a leap in complexity and efficiency. Existing now as self-contained and lipid-enclosed structures, these chemical pockets can now exhibit a swift acceleration of reactions, turning processes that once spanned millions of stages and intricate convoluted sequences to now occur in mere microseconds. And these mixtures now, as their own chemical pockets, can become fully mobile as they are no longer reliant on the rock cavities they were formed within. This newfound level of complexity and efficiency blurs the boundaries between the living and non-living, as these organic mixtures harness energy from Earth's interior, existing as floating pockets, teetering on the edge of the living world, to become the very first protocells, viruses, or simple single-celled organisms, existing ostensibly as sources of stored genetic material or stored catalytic information in the form of chemical sequences and pathways. So the question then is this: is the Earth alive, if the things it makes are alive? Is the Earth a sentient being if the things made from it are sentient beings?